Hello friends, today I am going to discuss Ngrok's deployments, machine learning. So what is the Ngrok? So first I want to see here Ngrok. So I am going to write here Ngrok. Look here Ngrok. So Ngrok online in one line. So Ngrok is a globally distributed reverse proxy fronting your web service running in any cloud or private network or your machine. So you can easily download it. And another is the dashboard, means Ngrok is the fastest way to put anything on internet. Ngrok is the fastest way to put anything on the internet with another. So let's see, we go at Ngrok website. So whenever I enter as a Ngrok website, so look here with the one command. So serve web apps with the one commands. Ngrok is the programmable network edge and add the connectivity, security, observability your apps with the no code changes. So look here, this one has been the copy and you can paste, and trusted by over 5 million developers and recommended by the category leader. So Tulio, SandGrid, GitHub, Okata, Zoom, these are the partners of this. So many product and customers. So first we can log in, because I have already has been the login, and then we can use. You can easily finish that. So let's today just I am going to how to deploy it. So first I am installing like a pip installer Jupyter Dash, because I am using here Google Colab. So pip install and Jupyter Dash. So look here, it is look like this way. So it is installing, because if you want to like any modules to install at a Jupyter notebook at this platform as a collab, so we need to the apply this command. It has been installed. Now I am going to the install some others modules like import plotly.xpace as a px, plotly like creating a diagrams and the other things, and Jupyter dash import as Jupyter dashboard. We want to create a Jupyter dashboard. Import a dash underscore code components as a DCC, and import a dash HTML components needs to the, and from the dash dot dependency import input and output. Load, we can load the data also. So this is a some basic library we can create here. Now I am going to the create df px.data tips, build the apps here, Jupyter dash, and I have taken the object like underscore name app.layout html.div html.h1, because heading should has been written as a Jupyter dash demo, and dcc dot graphs id will equal to graph, and html labels like a color scales dcc, drop downs id color scales drop down, and clearables false value, and plasma options level c and value. So these are the basic things. So just I am going to the run here, because I am creating a single apps. Yeah, it is a running. And now the define the callback to the update graphs. So underscore apps dot callback, output here graph and figure, and now the color scales and drop down value. Now define update add a figure the color scales, and return px scatter df, and total bill, y represent as a tip, color size, color continuous. So this one. So run the apps and display here. So similarly this one. So there are two ways. One is the internal way and another is the external way. So is it possible to the internal way and external way? So the apps can run here the external also and running on. So you can look here, yeah, running on. So now you go here and click, so your apps has been ready. So look here, look like your apps look like this way. So within a minutes and second, you can say just here, okay, you can easily create any dashboard. And Ngrok is a very easy way to your dashboard can go at the web. So look here, this one, yeah, it is a jupyter-dash demo and color scales. So my dashboard has been created like this. So this is a way to create your dashboard. So I hope it is useful, and now you can easily understand this is a way to how to create, right? So thank you for here. I think it will be helpful.